Let's simplify this square root of 75. We can write that as 25 times 3x, right? I'll break 75 into two numbers, one of which I know the square root. I know the square root of 25. So this should work. Minus, now 48, I'm looking here, get a hint here, I'm looking for a 3. 3 will go into 48 16 times, and sure enough, we know the square root of 16. So let's write this as 16 times 3x. Now, this will give us square root of 25, square root of 3x, minus square root of 16, square root of 3x. How about 5 square root of 3x, minus 4 square root of 3x. Now, I got 5 of these square roots, minus 4 of those square roots. That leaves one of those square roots, but I don't need to write the 1, so let's just write square root of 3x. Let's simplify these square roots and see if we can get some common terms. So we're going to have 6 times the square root, that's 75. Let's go with a 25 times 3m squared plus the square root of, how about 4 times 3m squared minus, we'll go with 16 times 3m squared. Now, let's just do this one. Square root of 25 we know is 5. Square root of m squared we know is m. So let's just write that. We'll get 6 times 5 times m. This 5 is coming from the square root of 25. The m is coming from the square root of m. And then we're left with that square root of 3 plus, now over here, the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of m squared is m. So let's write 2m, and we're left with that square root of 3 minus, now here the square root of 16 is 4. The square root of m squared is m, so we're going to get 4m, and we're left with the square root of 3. Now here's what we're at. We're at 30 of these m square roots of 3 plus 2m square roots of 3 minus 4m square roots of 3. And this is going to give us, okay, we've got 30m and 2m, that's 32m, and then we're going to subtract 4m. So now we're down to 28m square roots of 3. So we'll have 28m square roots of 3.